Ni kedai Batisi TV. Bat pidang pet yaki kubor paman kesni. Balawan rasya pidang Modrina Auto Enterprises Maulanong Kwar TSS Road Shillong. Ringkat bat ka Orange Nissan Lums Hop Ho Shillong. Wan bantiet yaka kali Datsun ready go batamai. Kabas kem bat bidor.
Ulat kejela usatya pal malik haka pratarik urisau arajar arpho ulukentu yiki pajba nong song snong jong kejela bakin bod renti yiki jing ptha jong ke sorkar jela lembaga tenat ke kot ke khia da ka badeng tista yiki mask da ka bathet bon sen yelaki kiti bat ban pene jingai man la ka kem iwai ni iwai pat haki jaka babon briu khnang ban dubla banyi kun persha yaka jingpang khlam covid khat khandai ka balasari ka perthai baro ka wei bat kumju ru yaka ri India bat ka jela Meghalaya haka jingi kran bat kilat pathai kubor ulat ka jela ula ai kublai kerpang ru ya menteri rang ba do keri Narendra Modi ubala long unong yelam ubah khmat hakari manyalam ni kisipai banyi kun persha ya uni ukunyang jingpang ubala dekat ru ya ki babon ki mensen briu hakari India bat hakajela Meghalaya.
I would like to congratulate and thank our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji for his inspirational call for a Jan Andolan against COVID-19 with the hashtag COVID-19 India through Twitter today. The entire country stands firmly behind our Honorable Prime Minister in making Unite to Fight Corona Movement mass campaign. I am deeply grateful to Honorable Prime Minister for his decision for early preventive lockdown and other measures which has already saved several lakhs of precious lives till date. I appeal to the people of Meghalaya also to follow social distancing, wear masks and follow health and hygiene protocols. With 2,411 active cases and 4,694 recoveries as on 7th October 2020. Meghalaya is doing well in the fight against COVID-19. I would again urge the public and authorities to ensure that there is no let-up in the critical battle against the pandemic. I also congratulate the state government for its efforts to contain the pandemic. I would like to repeat the inspiring message of our Honorable Prime Minister. Let us always remember, wear a mask, wash your hands, follow social distancing, practicing 2 gaj ki duri. Together we will succeed. Kublai Mitela, Jai Hind.